welcome to another version with your girl Style with PNJ. Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. This is a delightful 2023. Today is the 1st of January and I'm here to present to you this video. Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've been following your girl through 2022, thumbs up. Your girl here is grateful. Thanks to God for bringing us throughout the past year and into this new year. So I'm wishing you all, my followers and my future subscribers, a happy new year 2023. Bonne année! Yay! Today I'm gonna be presenting to you 10 bad habits, and in fact 10 future habits you should move along through 2023. So hope you like this video. Stay tuned. It's your girl Stylewithpnj. So this 2023, the first point is this: your health is your wealth. Your health is your wealth. That's the first point. You should take care of your health. You only get to know the importance of your health when you lose it. When I'm talking about health, I mean your spiritual health and your physical health. Yes, spirituality comes first. You have to take care of your spiritual health in order to be in good standing for 2023, for the challenges you are to face, for the problems you are to face, for the storms you are to face, in order to be stronger and better. And your health is a priority. Yes, I mean your physical health. Take care of your health, do sports, drink water, mind your business. You only get to know the importance of your health when you lose it. Like, you cannot buy health with money. There are a lot of people in the hospital who have tons of millions in their bank account, but guess what? When they are down, even that money can save them. Only God. So take care of your health spiritually and physically. The second point is this: 2. Never confuse intelligence with wisdom. Wisdom is given from God. You always have to seek wisdom from God in order to encounter or face challenges of the world. Ask God for wisdom so He can direct you throughout your challenges, throughout your job, throughout your children's life, throughout how you face situations, throughout even your successes. Yes, never confuse intelligence with wisdom, because wisdom is gotten from God. Yes, you can be smart about anything in this life, but intelligence is not wisdom. The third important point we are carrying on in 2023 is you need to know that those who will stand by you are few, and those who congratulate you are many. You get the difference? Listen to that again. Those who will stand by you are few. They are barely a handful. But those who congratulate you are many. A lot of people are out there waiting to just congratulate you. Whether they are happy or not, only God knows. They are going to congratulate you. But there are only very few people who will stand by you through your trials, through your successes, and genuinely. This is a message you should be able to differentiate and set the line between those who are going to stand by you with a genuine heart and those who are just congratulating you. Oh, you're doing great, you're doing great. How many of them are truly standing by you? You need to know. Question your mind, question your conscience, and don't forget to go back to the first. Seek God. Never be in competition with anyone in this world. I mean, never. You are made in the image and likeness of God. You are you, and that's your unique self. There's already enough darkness in the world, and there's enough space for each star to shine. View every person as a stepping stone, as a learning process. You have to be able to learn from people, appreciate people, and ask for help rather than being in competition with them. There is too much darkness already in the world, but guess what? Even a lamp put under a bed is going to shine if it has to shine. Again, you go back to 1, rely on God for guidance, and 2, for wisdom. second thing you need to know in 2023 is this. You can't stop people from saying what they want to say about you. You cannot stop them. But you know what? You have a choice to make. Either you want to listen to them, or you want to stay low about what they say. They are not your God. They don't give you air to breathe. Rely on God and trust in Him. Ask for His directions. It's not every dog that barks that you must throw a stone at. Learn to control your emotional mind. And the fifth thing is this. A wealthy life is not necessarily a happy life. And a happy life is not necessarily a wealthy life. Listen to that again. A wealthy life is not necessarily a happy life. But a happy life is also not necessarily a wealthy life. Yes, wealth can increase your chances of being happy. But guess what? You cannot buy peace from God. The peace above all human understanding. The peace that only God gives you. You can have the whole world in your hands. Everything you ask for. But what does it profit a man to sell his soul to the devil and cannot enter the kingdom of God? Seek peace. Go back to the first point. Seek God in everything you do. And the sixth point is this. We have all made wrong choices in the past. You, me, my children, my parents, my ancestors, everybody. We have fallen short of the glory of God. But this is what I have to tell you. In 2023, don't let those bad choices, those bad things of the past overwhelm us. We just have to learn and move forward. We have to learn from our mistakes. We have to accept we have made mistakes, and we have to make amends for them. Seek God in everything you do again. And the seventh thing I have to tell you for this new year is this. If you help people succeeding, you are more likely to build a network where you are going to succeed. Never think you're a fool by helping people. Never think you're stupid by rendering services, by talking to people. It's always good to learn from people. Listen to people. Learn to offer a helping hand. God is going to bless you. Your blessings do not come from mere man. God will send the angels to bless you. Seek, believe, and have faith. And the eighth thing I'm going to tell you about 2023 is this. Stay humble. Be humble. You lose nothing being humble. Jesus Christ came to serve us. Serve people. Still go back to 7, offer services. Being humble, be grateful, always use the please word, always use the thankful word. Show humility in everything you do. It costs you nothing. The ninth thing I have to tell you for 2023 is have a free mind. Always forgive people. Learn to forgive people. Learn to pass things because you are in control of your mind. You are in control of what people think about you. That has nothing to do with you. It just shows them how they look at themselves. You are in control of your life. Forgive people easily. The final thing, the 10th thing we have to do in 2023 is to love above all costs. Christ is love. Jesus Christ came and died for our sins because of love, because of you and me. Let's love a little better, help a little better, and we are going to become a better place in the community, a better place in the world. Together we are one. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned one or two things. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked this video. Hope you learned one or two things from this video. And don't forget to show your girl some love by subscribing, liking, and commenting. It's your girl, Style with PNJ.